kids, Grandma here, Grandma Patty Ann. Hi Layla and Levi and Reese and Kyle and Connor and Carter. And hey, if you want me to mention your name, be sure to leave me a comment on our Facebook group page. There'll be a link for it down below. But anyway, today's book is going to be a fun one. It's going to be this one, The Three Billy Goats Gruff by Kate Pankhurst. And by the way, at the end, I'll show your parents where they can get these free images that they can just cut out. Don't have to have anything special. Just print them out. Here's one fellow that's in here. Anybody know who this is that's in the story? And then there are three of these. Of course, the name of the story is The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And then there's some other items too. But let's get started with the book. Okay, once again, the story is The Three Billy Goats Gruff by Kate Pankhurst. High in the mountain lived three billy goats. They were called Baby Gruff, Middle Gruff, and Big Gruff. All winter long, an icy wind blew, and the billy goats ate only dry thistles and scraggly brambles. When at last the snow melted, they set off for the valley below. Down the mountain they trotted, trip-trap, to the old stone bridge. There, on the other side of the river, was the freshest, greenest grass they had ever seen. Look at that yummy, scrummy grass. I'm so hungry, I could eat the whole field. Can I go first? Can I please? And so the billy goats lined up to cross the bridge. First, Baby Gruff, then Middle Gruff, and then Big Gruff. But under the bridge, hiding in the shadows, was a big, ugly troll. He had a terrible warty face. He had horrible pointy ears. He had awful stinky breath. And he liked to eat anyone who crossed his bridge. Here he has a book here. It says River Recipes for Trolls. So, when Baby Gruff skipped across the bridge with a trip-trap, the troll sprang up from below, snarling and slobbering. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? It's me, Baby Gruff squealed, the littlest baby goat. I'm going to the meadow to nibble all the flowers. Oh, no, you're not, roared the troll. This is my bridge, and I'm going to eat you up for breakfast with some freshly buttered toast. Baby Gruff trembled. Please don't eat me, he squeaked. I'm so little, you wouldn't even taste me. Wait for my older brother, Middle Gruff. He's bigger and much tastier. The troll licked his lips. Bigger? Tastier? He cried. Then I'll eat him instead. Now be gone with you. And so Baby Gruff scurried over the bridge. Trip, trap, trip. Silly old troll, he giggled. Soon after, Middle Gruff clattered across the old stone bridge. Trippity-trap, trippity-trap. The troll leaped up once more, growling, Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? It's me, Middle Gruff bleated. The next billy goat. I'm going to the meadow to munch on all the grass. Oh, no, you're not, roared the troll. I'm going to gobble you up for breakfast with a nice glass of milk. Don't be silly, cried Middle Gruff. I'm so bony. I'd make your teeth fall out. Wait for my older brother, Big Gruff. He's fatter and much yummier. The troll started to drool. Fatter? Yummier? He shouted. Then I'll eat him instead. Now be gone with you. So the Middle Gruff trotted across the bridge. Trippity-trap, trippity-trap. Silly old troll, he tutted. Finally, Big Gruff thumbered up to the bridge. Trip, trap, tromp. "Rah!" roared the troll. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? He was very, very hungry by now. Big Gruff stomped his hooves. It's me, he grunted, the biggest billy goat. The troll's tummy was rumbling and grumbling, and up he jumped bellowing. Here I come to gobble you up. No, said Big Gruff, pointing his big strong horns right at the troll. Here I come. And he butted the troll right into the rushing water. Splash! Ah! Howled the troll as the river swept him far away. And so Big Gruff thudded over the bridge to join his brothers in the meadow. Trip, trap, tromp. Silly old troll, he chuckled. All summer long, the three billy goats Gruff crunched and munched the delicious green grass until they could eat no more. And they never, ever saw that silly old troll again. And that's the end. So again, parents and homeschoolers, if you have a printer, you can simply print out all these pieces and cut them out with scissors or with your cutting machine. And I'll have the link for this down below for you. And the kids can retell the story and even have the billy goat come up through the bridge like that. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you kids like this story, and I hope to see you again next time. Remember, check out my link down below for Facebook if you want to add your name to the kids that I call out in the beginning and say hello to. So again, thanks for joining me. Bye, y'all.